Mi-28 Havoc attack helicopter, produced by the Russian helicopters Rospurtal Company, was for the first time exhibited at the Dubai Airshow 2021.
Many aerobatics were performed at minimum altitudes and speeds, which is especially important for survivability of the helicopter in real combat conditions. Mi-28 demonstrated combat turns, nose diving, pitch-up maneuvers, rearward flight, hovering and climb with rotation under the supervision of Sergei Barkov, honored test pilot and hero of Russia. The Mi-28 attack helicopter has a powerful armament complex which includes a mobile automatic 30mm gun with a left-to-right rotation range of 110, 3 types of anti-tank guided missiles with a range of 6 and 10 kilometers, air-to-air guided missiles, unguided missiles of 2 types, suspended cannon containers, aerial bombs of up to 500 kilograms grade.